A company offers two salary schemes for a 10-year period, year 1 to year 10 inclusive. Scheme 1, salary in year 1 is £P. Salary increases by £2T each year, forming an arithmetic sequence. Scheme 2, salary in year 1 is P plus £1,800. Salary increases by T each year, forming an arithmetic sequence. Show that the total earned under salary scheme 1 for the 10-year period is 10p plus 90t. For the 10-year period, the total earned is the same for both schemes. Find the value of t. For this value of t, the salary in year 10 under salary scheme 2 is £29,850. Find the value of p. So I've summarised the question here. It's rather a long question. So let's have a little look at it then. So part A, show that the scheme 1 total is this. So we start off scheme 1, £P in year 1, and we increase by 2t. So A, scheme 1 total. So total will equal, well it will be, we start off with, what was it, £P, and then we add 2t each year. So it's P plus, and then the second year, it will be P plus 2t, won't it? So this is the second year, and then the third year is P plus another 2t, so that's 2 lots of 2t, 4t, and then plus, and then the next year will be P plus 2, 3 lots of 2t, won't it? Because we're adding on another term. So this was the first year, this was the second year, where it's 1 lot of 2t, then the third year, fourth year, plus ... We need to write down the 10th year, P plus. So if the first, second, third, fourth year was 3 lots of 2t, and the third year was 2 lots of 2t, can you see it's 1 less? So it's 9 lots of 2t, isn't it, here? So first term, A, our first term is P. Our common difference, D, is equal to 2t, and the number of terms is equal to, well, first 1 to 10 will be 10 terms, gives S10 then, sum is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 lots of d. So let's put the numbers in then. 10 over 2, which is 5, 2a, which is 2p, plus n minus 1 is 9, times 2t, plus 9 times 2, which is 18, so let's put that in straight away. 18t, which is equal to 10p plus 5 18s are 90t, and that's in pounds, isn't it? Okay, which is what we wanted to show. Given the totals are the same, find t. So B, find t, given the totals are the same. So the next salary was P plus 1,800, but that only increased by £T. So part B then. So the next salary, the first term was P plus 1,800, as we said. But the common difference in the next one is just T, isn't it? And we know that n is equal to 10. So this gives then S10 for this second series will be n over 2, which is 5, 2a, so that's 2p plus 1,800s, plus 9d's, n minus 1 is 9, and d this time is t. So what do we get? We get 2p here, times 5 is 10p. We get 9t times 5 is 45t. And then we also get 2 1800s. Oh, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 1800s is 18,000. So this is the sum for scheme 2, isn't it? So the scheme's sums are the same. Let's just go back to check. Given the totals are the same, find t. So here, let's write this down then. 10p plus 45t plus the 18,000 must equal the other sum that we had, which was 10p plus 90t. So we've got that. The 10p's cancel. Move the 45 over here, and I'm going to write it down from right to left. So this becomes minus 45. 90 minus 45 is 45 lots of t, and that's over here now. And on the other side is 18,000. So t will equal 18,000 over 45. Okay, let's tap that in the calculator. Well, we can do it by hand actually, because it's 36,000 double top and bottom. It's 36,000 over 90. So that will go in, cancel. This will cancel by 4. And we're left with 400, aren't we? So there's t, 400, for this t value. Okay, so that's £400 it increases. It's in pounds we're dealing with, aren't we? So there's part B. For this t value, the salary then the salary in year 10 for scheme 2 is 29,850. Find P, 29,850 then, for the salary in year 10. So part C. So we started off with a salary of P plus 1,800, wasn't it? And it went up by T each year. So 10th year salary is equal to, well, the first term is A, P plus 1,800. Now, how many D's do we add on for the 10th term? We add on 9 D's, don't we? So it's 9 T's, the 10th term, and that's equal to 29,850. I'm just going to double check that above. There it is, 29,850, find P. Okay, we know T is equal to 400, so that tells us then that P plus 1,800 plus 9 400s is 3,600 is equal to 29,850. Okay, so we've got P is equal to then 18 plus 36 is 5,400, so it's 29,850 minus 5,400 pounds. So that'll be 24,000 then, won't it? 450, 850 minus 400 is 450. So P is equal to then 24,450 pounds. And that was part C. We just check that. Yeah, find P for part C.